Alrighty. Figured I'd do a special video tonight. A fellow YouTube picker sent a YALE padlock back to me for repair. After a little mishap, I was able to straighten it out, and it's now working. So I now have in my possession at the moment 2 YALE padlocks. They're both dimple key locks. I don't know if you can see that key, dimple keys for both of the locks. Different cuts on the keyways. They do in fact both work with the key. Go ahead and stick that in there. They're both double ball locking mechanisms, fully shrouded stainless steel top security locks. And that's what I'm going to be picking tonight. I figured I would do 2 of them in one video. So without wasting a whole lot of time, I'm going to get right to it. We're using a standard rigid tension wrench made out of a wiper blade insert and a custom made dimple pick. Okay, there goes number 1, picked open. Let me turn that cylinder back because these things have a habit of tossing the pins all over if you don't reset that cylinder without a key in there before you relock them. Let's see if we can't get number 2 here into a false set. These do contain security pins. And then there's number 2. The second lock, this one here, which is my lock, is quite a bit more difficult to pick, I guess because of the odd T-cuts and arrangements on there, but they both do contain security pins, so there you have it. 2, not 1, but 2 YALE stainless steel body top security dimple locks picked open in one video. That's just under 3 minutes, which is a pretty good time for those 2 locks. So go ahead and rate it and let me know what you think.